Our dream to travel became a reality about 10 years ago when we decided to make some drastic changes in our life. Making an about turn as life is too short and not grabbing the opportunities out there in this world. There is much more to life, and then you owe it to yourself to go and take it as the years progress, looking at nature, setting the trend for us on how we should go about our journey in life. Freedom and peace are what we all of us are striving towards, and we all long for a serene and tranquil life. I know Africa is the second largest continent on this planet and is also home to abundant wildlife species, creating a paradise of nature right on your doorstep, and the lingering for one to explore this creation. An amazing experience of them migrating, and where it encapsulates the beauty and the essence of it all. Safaris are not just all about animals, but also the vastness and experience one encounters along with your travels with people and their amazing countries. These encounters just prove the vast diversity that is synonymous in Africa. This requires major planning when one embarks on journeys of great magnitude that one will traverse into the unknown territory. Our journey started off by visiting some of the southern states in Africa, leaving home with an excitement that is indescribable, but being also cautious as you traverse towards the imaginary gate of the unknown. Having that calmness that is setting in, knowing that your planning was done properly and no stone was left unturned. The landscape varies from savanna to bushlands and to barren and desert areas, leaving you mesmerized by all the beauty.
Built a home and watched it burn. I didn't wanna leave, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. Take myself dancing, and I can hold my own hand. Yeah, I can love me better than you can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love it. Paint my nails cherry red, match the roses that you left. No remorse, no regret. I forgive every word you say.
In our videos, we would like each one to travel and make the journey with us, to share the adventure with us. And being an outdoor and nature lover and seeking this type of excitement, then this channel will definitely be for you. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos.